we are going to try and change this body kit into this other body kit. And of course, we're going to try to do that via scripting. Now, in the previous videos, we've done a tutorial about changing the wheels. Now, it obviously still works. You can still change the wheels of any car. And of course, it works with this car as well. So you can change the wheels and just simply drive off. Now we're going to make the same kind of layout, but for the body kits. So let's get started. So similar to this one, we are going to create another canvas, and I'm going to call it body kits. Inside, I'm going to copy the buttons from here over to body kits. Then I'm going to simply change this sprite to something more approaching, I guess. All right, let's do this info for now, a simple I. And then from the last one, we have this wheels holder. I'm going to remove that component and I'm going to create a new script. I'm going to call it body kits. And then I'm going to create one more script and I'm going to call it kits manager. Now, since we know the amount of kits that we have in this car, we are going to hard code these kits. So we're going to create two methods to activate one of these kits. So the first one is going to be activate kit 1, and it's simply going to activate the kit at the index of 0. And of course, we want to make sure that the other kits are disabled. And that's basically how simple it is to activate one of these kits. Now we're going to duplicate this for the kit number 2. And it's basically the same thing, but we've changed the index only. Now we're going to save that and we're going to go back to body kits. And in here, we want to reference this kits manager. So to access one of these methods, we need a reference to this kits manager. So to get a kits manager reference, we're going to say public kits manager. And then in the start, we want to initialize the kits manager. So we're going to say kits manager is equal to find object of type kits manager. And the last thing we need is two separate methods to trigger these other methods. So I'm simply going to create kit1 method, and then this is going to trigger the activate kit1. So to trigger that, we're going to say kits manager dot set activate kit1, and that's it. Now I'm going to duplicate this for the second kit, and there we have it. After having done these two simple scripts, we're going back to Unity, and where we have the buttons, we are going to grab this body kits. So we're going to place one of these body kit scripts inside of here, and then we're going to drag them into onClick. Now one of them, of course, will trigger the kit 1, and the next one is going to trigger the kit number 2. And of course, the kits manager will have to go to the car that has multiple kits. Now you can see we have 2 slots, or maybe you have 3 kits in here. So you simply do 3 kits. I'm going to do 2 for now. And then I'm simply going to drag one of these kits into here, and then the second kit into here. And we are done with the kits. Now all we're left of is to hit play. Okay, we can see it's changing the kits. Very nice, very smooth. Let's make this car a little bit brighter, I guess. Like this. And there we have it. We can cycle through these kits, and we can simply hit play if we want to play the game. So that's about it for this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you in the next videos.